Oh, a great story tonight. A big donation to the Requity Foundation going to help vocational students in Baltimore City set up for a better life.
We started Requity in March of 2020, a 501c3 for the specific purpose of breaking down barriers between vocational education and the marketplace. And we're doing this through transformational work-based learning opportunities.
Like hanging up inside it.
The project has enhanced my technical and interpersonal skills. I have learned the value of teamwork, and I am happy to be engaged in an area that is contributing to reduce dependency on fossil-free consumption.
I would love to participate in the next phase of Carver House so I can see how far this goes and learn more of the skill that I need to get a great job in the future.
We built this, all 8 of us. Most of us not here, but we all here.
How about we tackle the problem that we have in the community? You know, we have eyesore houses right across the street from us, and we have these trades here. Why don't we fix our own community up with our trades?
I want to start off by thanking you, Coach, and the entire Requity Foundation, and for our friends at ADT for setting our young people up for success.
We have over 20,000 employees at ADT. It's hard to find good people. We just found a place that has really good people. $100,000 for Requity to invest in the Carver House. So congratulations, thank you guys. These wonderful students, use it well, guys. We are building a business that creates safe, smart, and sustainable homes. We protect human lives, and we give people peace of mind.
I thank all of the representatives from ADT from being here, and I will challenge others in the corporate community to step up and do the work that ADT has shown leadership in doing here today.
Students will begin to work on this project in a couple of weeks. The goal is to have it completed in a year's time.
Creating these pathways to have young people actually take responsibility and revitalizing their communities is essential to how we rebuild Baltimore.